Hey everybody, I'm Brandon with ShopperInformer.com, and today I'm going to unbox for you this heated eye mask, a great product by Aroma. Let's get into it. So in the box, we've got our user's manual. They're providing you with an eye mask cover. That way you don't have to use it directly on your eyes. You can put this on and then you can wash it in between uses or if it gets dirty. We have a power brick here, the power cord and controller. We'll look at that here in just a minute. And then the eye mask itself. If we come in for a closer look on the mask, we've got two different sides as you see right here. Real nice soft material on both sides. Blue side will be facing outward. Gray side will be facing inward, will be up against your eyes right here, whether or not you're using the supplied cover. Now on the inside, we have a graphene heating element. It's going to give you 3 different levels of adjustment. We'll look at that here in a second. And then on the front side as well, we've got a little bit of filler here. They're using flax seeds, which is a nice non-toxic option. Then we have a nice adjustable band here so you can get the perfect fit while you're wearing this. And then we have a detachable power cord that's going to attach to the main cord. So this is real nice just in case you snag it, you step on something, you're moving away from the wall, right? The whole mask doesn't come ripping off of your face. It'll just detach, which is kind of like a nice safety mechanism right here. Boom, boom, yeah, put it together, pull it apart. If we come in for a closer look on the control panel, very straightforward, easy to read, easy to use. You got 2 buttons on the left and on the right. So on the right side, this is going to be able to adjust your timer, which has a built-in timer. So you got 20, 40, and 60. And then on the left side here, you got your button for high, medium, and low. You just press that and you'll be able to toggle through. Very easy to read, very easy to understand, straightforward use and operation. Now what's nice is you can also run this off of any kind of USB power source. So I've got it plugged into a battery bank right now. You could also plug it into the wall with a supplied power brick. Really just depends on where you plan on using it and when. But you get it turned on, the timer is going to count down if you're doing a 20, 40, 60 minute session. So use it as long as you can handle it or need to use it for. And according to the manual, high, medium, and low will range anywhere from 104 up to 140 degrees. But this thing does heat up real nice and real quick and is very comfortable once you get the strap adjust just right there. Yeah, so you could wear this for a few minutes, you could wear it for a full session. But when it comes to heat therapy type of devices, right, you might be using it because you have dry, itchy, red eyes. You might have some clogged ducts here that you're trying to loosen up, maybe a sty, something of that nature. Definitely a great buy, especially if you have any of those known eye issues where a heat mask is recommended, and because it runs off of a power source, you can dial in the heat quickly the way you want it versus the microwave ones, right? You put it in the microwave, maybe it gets too hot, then you got to let it cool down, and then it gets too cool after a few minutes, and then you got to put it back, right? So there's a lot of back and forth with more of the manual type of ones where you can dial it right in here with the heat source. So that's my opinion for the day. To find more great reviews, check out ShopperInformer.com. The link is down in the description.